Where am I going? Can any of you guess? Well, you all asked for it and I aim to deliver. Now, two of the most frequently requested tours and pilgrimages that I have are to Nepal and to South India, two of my original tours/pilgrimages. And so I'm excited to announce to you today that I have both of these tours coming up at the end of this year and early in 2027. So first of all, we have the Footsteps of the Himalayan Yogi Nepal tour, which will be from November 13 to November 22nd. And that'll be this year, obviously. And Nepal is one of the best tours that we hold and has been one of the most enriching for a lot of participants who have come to Nepal and joined us on these tours. So I am very excited about this tour. And on the Nepal tour, we go to all of the great places, particularly within the Kathmandu Valley. We go to Pashupatinath, we go to Bodhanath, we go to Swayambhu, we go to Namo Buddha, Nagi Gompa, where the great master Tulku Urgyen Rinpoche resided. Many, many other places as well. But this pilgrimage is an amazing pilgrimage, particularly within the energy of the Kathmandu Valley, which in my opinion is one of the greatest places in the world. So I love taking people to Nepal, to Kathmandu specifically, to embody the energy of the Himalayas. And so that's the first tour. As I said, that'll be November this year. But then we've got the real OG, the real original tour coming up in January in 2027. The Footsteps of Shiva South India tour. Now, this is an amazing tour. And most people who have come on this tour have absolutely loved it. Now, this will be from January 28 to February 6. And we go to Kapileshwara in Chennai. We go to Vivekananda House in Chennai, all of these great places when we first arrive. And then we head off for Tiruvannamalai, where the holy mountain of Arunachala is, and where the great 20th century sage Bhagavan Sri Ramana Maharshi resided. And we go to Ramana Ashram, we go to Arunachala Shivara Temple, the big Shiva temple at the foot of Arunachala. We go to the oldest temple in the region, the Adiyannamalai temple. We visit all of the sacred lingams all around Arunachala. And this time, first time ever on this tour, we will circumambulate the entire distance of Arunachala, what I'm calling Arunachala Blessing Day, or you could call it Arunachala Darshan, right? And so it's very important for pilgrims to circumambulate Arunachala and to walk the entire 13 kilometers slowly and take your time throughout the day. And that's what we will do on this tour. We will slowly walk around the mountain, enjoy the tea shops, enjoy the temples, visit all of the lingams and so forth, right? So I'm very, very excited for this tour as well. And I hope to share that with many of you. Keep in mind for both tours that they are capped at 10 people, because having 10 people keeps the experience intimate. It's like a proper pilgrimage, right? And so keep that in mind. So it's open for registration now. Please hit either link in the pinned comment or in the description box and register your interest for that. I also have a 2-tour combo too, where you'll save a lot of money to come to both tours if you have the time and the energy to do so. So keep in mind that that offer is there as well. And so make sure you send me an email and share your interest in the opportunity to come to both tours as well. So I'm very, very excited about that. I can't wait to share that experience with you all. Both of those tours are some of the best that I put on. So I'm excited to share those with you. Now, the second order of business is I want to remind people of my mentorship programs, where I have a spiritual mentorship program, which we dive deep into Eastern philosophy and spirituality. I have a content creation mentorship program where I share my 20 plus years experience in content creation with people, and I tailor that mentorship program to someone's needs. and also the author/writer mentorship program, where I share my 25 plus years experience as being a writer and a published author and helping people to become one themselves. So, and sharing that experience and giving back to others where probably I never got the help I needed when I first started. So I would like to share that with you all if you are interested in either being an author, a content creator, or are interested in diving deeper into Eastern philosophy and spirituality. Now, the next order of business is that I have only a few left of my 2-book combo of the personally signed books of The Tradition of Natural Taoism and Enlightenment Now. This is buy one, get one free, personally signed by myself and with a message to you or to a friend or a loved one that you might want to send it to. And we only have a few left. And so I wanted to share that with you. This special is running out. It was a Christmas special, but it's kind of gone over. And so I just wanted to share that news with you if you wanted a personally signed copy of both of those books. Now, last but definitely not least is my weekly newsletter, Wisdom Weekly. Now, I have a link in the pinned comment and the description to sign up, where you can have exclusive access to my newsletter. And my newsletter has become very popular over the 15 years that I've been sending it out to everyone. And so I've got a lot of content on there. It's a good opportunity to dive deeper into Eastern philosophy and spirituality. And I love the newsletter format. It's a great way to connect with you all. And on top of that, I also wanted to remind you guys of my Patreon, where I have exclusive content on my Patreon, which I share with all of my members. I have a podcast with Guy Young, and I've also got a new series coming up about me writing my new book. So I've got a fortnightly series coming up on Patreon about my new book diary. So it's just me discussing the process of writing a book, how I'm feeling about the book at this time, and so forth and so on. So it's more of a personal journey of myself going through the process of writing this new book, which I'm actually very excited about. It's one of my most complex and difficult books I've ever written. And so I'm excited to see where this journey will take me. And so the first episode of that will be coming up this Sunday. Remember, all of the links for the tours, the mentorship program, the 2-book special, the Wisdom Weekly newsletter, and also for my Patreon will be in the pinned comment and in the description. And so I hope you're all safe and sound. I hope you're having a great year thus far. I love and appreciate you all. I don't take my esteemed audience for granted. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Shanti, shanti, shanti.